If you a real nigga getting money, I salute. I don't keep my shit on safety, gotta be ready to shoot. Blowing back to back woods in the crib like I'm Snoop. I see my ops dressing fancy, put them niggas in the suit. 1942 and bad hoes in the suite. OG told me look both ways playing in the street. 800 for a zippers out, why would I buy natural leaf? Bought a box of backwoods, it's gone before I go to sleep. Nigga add it all up, don't give a fuck about my total. I can do a nigga unemployment's in your social. Fuck a bitch good, now she getting all emotional. Police tryna question me about scams like I'm supposed to know.
Driving in the Beamer like a scat pack, doing the most. Bossed up my life and you niggas still out here broke. Came out the blue with these bands, I'm making it known. I'm not in the game, but I still be fucking with killers. If he run off with the bag, I'm going to kill him. Michael Mary jeans, I got more than 1,000 of them. Niggas acting lame, y'all do not be out here winning. You and your bitch looking like she probably a nigga chilling in the hills, so you know I gotta chase these figures. Bitch, you got a diaper booty and you with a broke ass niggas. Niggas talking crazy on the ground, up in fake roads. Bitches be with you, suck a dick, she gon' get exposed.
I've seen niggas think they getting off with fake clothes. Just told this little bitch hurry up and don't take long. I just had a threesome last night with 2 hoes, and I ran off on my plug for 2 bows. I told him I ain't get the package. I'm trying to send some unemployment cards, I need your address. My lean man just called in with some high tech. This my second cup, but I still don't feel high yet. I don't wanna get this bitch pregnant, I need a latex. A nigga said he gon' rob me, that's a fake page. I just got pulled over and gave him a fake name. Just because we went to high school, we cannot hang.
Set the play on these niggas with girly computer. I put money on his head from unemployment. Had to fire my old bitch, she ain't checked the mail. I got fired about the hit when I tracked the mail. Track runners on my feet, you can't step on these. Off a perk, hit a freak, then I made her leave. When I look out the window, I see palm trees. We out the way, we out in Cali, born Hercules. Break a bitch down to the ground, make her hit her knees. Bend it over, hit it from the side, cause I'm off a beam. Bornbandz, swear we up next, balling with my team. He probably mad I hit his bitch, but I forgot about it.
If you a real nigga getting money, I salute. I don't keep my shit on safety, gotta be ready to shoot. Blowing back to back woods in the crib like I'm Snoop. I see my ops dressing fancy, put them niggas in the suit.
I'm sick, niggas think they getting off with fake clothes. Just told this little bitch hurry up and don't take long. I just had a threesome last night with 2 hoes, and I ran off on my plug for